you just use the flashcards memorizing, they don't really know it. As soon as you cover this, they're going to go, I know it, I can't remember it. So what we do is in the bingo game, which you use that month, and in other games, we remove the text clue. Then we'll know for sure that they know that vocabulary word. So now we're going to move on to the next version. ¿Cuál es su nombre otra vez?
Marta.
Marta. Marta. Now what I'm going to do is you already know all the animals. When I call them out, you can just come up and get it. So now I'm going to challenge you with version 2. I'm going to describe the animal, and you have to find it from the description. Now, of course, I've been giving those descriptions, right? So they've been hearing them. ¿Dónde está el animal? And I'm going to describe it with drama to help transition. ¿Dónde está el animal que es pequeño, tiene pico, tiene plumas y pone huevos?
La gallina.
Ah, aplauso. The student can do that. We know that they're beginning, but we don't know for sure, but they're beginning to understand the description. But most importantly is that they were able to use their oral interpretation skills to give you the name of the animal. Because I didn't get it. I described it. I didn't say cuál es la gallina, dónde está la gallina. So you were able to recall and say la gallina. Of course, you still had the word, right? Which is a huge clip, but at least it's the next step. We're going to remove those words in the next game.